Good morning, students. Hello, students. Hello. So, good morning, student. I am your Eric ma'am is back with the preparatory maths class. So, first tell me, how are you all? Hello. How are you all? Who is saying me I am fine? Tell me your name. Okay, Moinul is fine. Ochishman, কেমন আছো Ochishman? Hello Ochishman. Hello beta, how are you? So, today get ready with okay. So today we'll do something else. Today we will do with page number 6. Page number 6. Okay, page number 6 we'll do long and short. Today we'll do with long and short. So can you all see these two? দেখতে পাচ্ছো এই দুটো কি আছে ম্যামের হাতে? See here? দেখতে পাচ্ছো? Two caterpillar, mother caterpillar and baby caterpillar. Can you see me? দেখো দেখো. Mother caterpillar and baby caterpillar. So now you will tell me which is long and which is short. So, I will ask you one by one, okay? Autri, hello Autri. Good morning Autri. Hello Autri. Good morning beta. Good morning Pridipta. Pridipta, hello Pridipta. তোমার হেয়ার ব্যান্ড কোথায়? Hair band? Where is your hair band? Okay, now tell me which caterpillar is long? Mother caterpillar or baby caterpillar? Tell me to. Who can tell me? Say me. Which caterpillar is long? Tell me your name and tell me the answer. নাম বলে answer বলো. Caterpillar, which caterpillar is long? Tell me. Mother caterpillar or baby caterpillar? Which is long, beta? Moinul? Hello Moinul. Tell me beta Moinul, which caterpillar is long? Mother caterpillar, baby caterpillar? Very good. Very good. And Ochishman বলো তো কোন ক্যাটারপিলারটা বড়? Mother caterpillar আর baby caterpillar কোনটা লম্বা? Ochishman বলো, tell me better. Okay, Pridipta. Hello Pridipta. Now tell me which is short caterpillar? Mother caterpillar, baby caterpillar, which is short? Short, short, short. Yes, very good. So, mother caterpillar is long and baby caterpillar is short. See now. দেখো. So, the caterpillar is long and your baby caterpillar is short. Long, short. Now can you all see this? Can you all see this in the water? জলে থাকে কি বলো তো এটা কি boom. What is this? কি Semi, tell me better, what is this? Who can tell? Boom. কি এটা? Crocodile. আর এইটা? Yes, এটা crocodile. And what is this? এইটা কি? টুমটুম। এটা কি বলো তো? Tell me what is it? Yes, very good. Grasshopper. Now tell me which is short? Crocodile or grasshopper? Which is short? Tell me which is short? Who can say? Hello. Very good, Nishit. Grasshopper is short. And now tell me which is long? Ochishman bolo to konta long? Which is long? Now which animal is long? Okay. Yes, Autri. Hello, Autri. Hello, Autri. Hello, Autri, sit properly, beta. Autri, sit properly. Hello, Anushka. Hello, Anushka. Autri, sit properly, beta. Hello, Anushka. Hello, Anushka. Anushka, can you hear me better? Anushka. Yeah, okay. Now tell me, Rajanya, tell me which is long better, crocodile or grasshopper? Which is long better? Rajanya, tell me better. Hello, Rajanya. Hello, Rajanya. Hello. Bolo to, which is long, crocodile or grasshopper? Which is long? Which is long, grasshopper or which is long, crocodile or grasshopper? Tell me, who can tell me? Hello, Anushka. Who can tell me which is long, crocodile or grasshopper? Yes, correct. Crocodile is long and grasshopper is short. Yes. Now can you see this? দেখতে পাচ্ছো? Can you see this? Yes, son. Everyone please mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone please. Everyone mute microphone. Okay, now in my left hand there is a long string and in my right hand there is a short string. Now tell me which string is short, left or right? Which string is short, in my right hand or in my left hand? Tell me in the chat box. Everyone tell me in the chat box which is short, left hand or right hand? Tell me. Okay. Now tell me which is long and short. Say me in your chat box, okay? My left hand string is long or in my right hand string is short. Which is long? Left hand or right hand? Which is long? Tell me. Tell me in the chat box. Please, nobody will remove any students, okay? Please don't remove any student. Autri, please don't remove Ochishman. And everyone please Autri, please don't remove any students. I request the guardians not to remove any students from the call. Okay, now you will say me the answer in your chat box. In my left hand there is a long string and in my right hand there is a short string. Now tell me which string is short, left hand or right hand? Tell me in the chat box, left hand or right hand? Which string is short? Which string is short, left hand string or right hand string? Tell me in the chat box. Which string is short? Yes, Moinul, very good. Yes, left hand string is long or right hand string is long? Which one is long? Please don't remove any students. Yes, Moinul. Yes, Nishit, it's correct. Your right hand string is short and your left hand string is long. So, today we have done with three things, with three activity, define long and short. Now take page number 6. Page number 6. Take this, page number 6. Everyone will mute your microphone. You will answer me. I request everyone, all the guardians, to answer me in the chat box. Answer me in the chat box, please. Okay. Now long and short. Page number 6. Write today's date. Write over here your date and CW. Write your date and CW. Date and CW. No one will do beforehand. Moinul, please don't do better. I have not started the page. Please remove that picture, remove that photo. Not Moinul, Mehrika, please remove that photo. ও চিশমান এই পেজটা আউট করো বেটা পেজ নাম্বার 6 এখানে ডেট আর সিডব্লিউ লিখো সিডব্লিউ এন্ড ডেট yes very good Achishman very good so we will do today long and short the first one is snake and short is lizard so snake is long and the lizard is short long short long is the snake short is the lizard long short now comes your bat and here is in your left hand side racket badminton not sorry bat it is a tennis bat okay table tennis bat so your bat cricket bat is long and your table tennis bat is short long short long short everyone mute your microphone now comes your stick and a pencil stick and a pencil so your stick is the long stick is long and the pencil is short stick is long and pencil is short last one engine and the car engine and car engine is long and the car is short engine is long and car is short so again we will repeat snake is long and the lizard is short snake is long lizard is short cricket bat is long and the table tennis bat is short stick is long and pencil is short engine is long and the car is short so today we came to know which is long and which is short which is long and which is short yes or no tell me in the chat box বুঝতে পেরেছো which is long and short everyone understood dear guardians I request all the guardians not to do any activity beforehand today I have taught them what is the difference between long and short we will do next day these activities no one will do beforehand I request all the guardians Mehrika and Rajanya please delete the activity page number 7 picture from the chat box in our next class we will do the activity today we only explained them made them what is long and what is short please guardian don't do these activities beforehand সব বুঝতে পেরেছো অর্চিসমান হ্যালো অর্চিসমান did you understood বুঝতে পেরেছো what is the difference between long and short long আর short এর কে পাঠাচ্ছে Okay, everyone understand. Now, in your home, you will tell you will tell your mother or father to help you দেখাতে কি কোন জিনিস which material is long and which material is short. Like your mother is having long hair and you are having short hair. মায়ের লং হেয়ার আছে আর তোমাদের শর্ট হেয়ার আছে। yes or no? yes or no? which your mother is having long hair and you are having short hair. Your mother is having long hair and you are having short hair. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no in the chat box. Tell me in the chat box. Yes. Even ma'am is having long hair and you are having short hair. You know? Ma'am is your math. Your ma'am is having long hair and you all are having short hair. Your father is having short hair. You are having short hair and your mother is having long hair. See, this caterpillar is long and this caterpillar is short. Mother caterpillar is long and baby caterpillar is short. This crocodile is long and this this grasshopper is short. সব বুঝতে পেরেছো লং আর শর্টের ব্যাপারটা? Everyone understood what difference between long and short? Okay, very good. Ochishman বুঝতে পেরেছে, very good Ochishman. Hello Ochishman, ম্যামকে একবার হ্যালো বলো Ochishman. Hello Ochishman. Hello Atri. Atri. স্মাইল করো, স্মাইল, একটা স্মাইল দাও ম্যামকে। give me a smile beta Atri, give me a smile. Hey, all are giving me smile. Everyone give me a big smile. Everyone give me a big smile. Hello, smile, smile, give me a big smile. Ha ha ha, no smile. Okay. So, today we end this class over here. Again, we will meet in your next online class. Okay. So, in your next online class, we will do 2 activities. Now, in the previous class, we have done with bigger and smaller activity. Send me those 2 pages pictures. Send me beta. Send me page number 4 and 5 page pictures. Okay. Rajanya, remove your finger from your nose beta. Okay. So, we have completed the difference of long and short. Again, we'll meet you in your next live class. So long, be happy and stay safe at your home. Okay. So, for today, thank you and bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.